Hey everybody, I'm here at the river today and I'm at a boat launch and I'm going to try out the metal detector, see if I can find anything that somebody lost. So let's get started. Let's see what we got down here. Ah, what is that? It's a metal stick. Okay, a metal stick called a nail. Well, I found it. Why is there a nail right here in the river? I don't know. Okay, 52, 76, 91. What is it? I'm using the Garrett AT Pro. Oh, I did get a coin. Looks like a dime. Woohoo! Got a dime. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, where did it go? Where is it? Some iron. 80. Well, let's check it out. Well, I got me a penny. $84, $90. Let's see what we got. Well, that says 10 inches down. Or what? What is this? 8 inches down, 78, 90, 10 inches down. Really? Are you sure? No wonder my pinpointer can't read it. 87, 6 inches down. Okay, something right there. What is it? Well, that looks like it's something off the raft. Yep, some trash. No wonder it sounded so good. Something else right there that's deeper. It said 90, 92. Okay, something right there. Well, I got something. Looks like a quarter. Yep, I got a quarter. Woohoo! Anything else down here? Okay, let's see what else we can find. Okay. It says 8 inches, so it's underneath this rock here. Well, where did it go? Well, I've been digging and I keep getting deeper here. So I'm wondering if it's just minerals in the soil. So I'm about ready to give up. It's beeping there, there. So I wonder if it's something large sitting there. Should be right there. Where are you? Huh. Something floating around down there. I wonder if there's gold. You guys think there's a gold nugget here? Well, I'm gonna give up there. All right, well, wonder what was down there. Well, I had a great time at the Deschutes River today. The water was cold, so I didn't go swimming, but the current was a little bit strong, even pretty close to shore, so I didn't go out very far. Join me in these videos coming up to go on some more metal detecting adventures. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so and smash that like button. See you in the next video.